Terima kasih Oro, Diplomacy President Cina Okra, Bikar Angkol, Cina Additional Chairman, Cina Dada, Ibu Cina Terima kasih kemang macam ni nata, Anggung Salia Anggundu, Cina Onimes. Deputy CM, President MLA, Dr. Tongo, President Or Puila, Ani Sikla, Ani Saukra, Ani Serai, Ani Sabaksa, Bonapuila Hambai Maro. Angkini Belaka Tongtongzak, Angkini Over one Saka Horowo, Asang Saman Play Timani. Taklah yang angku singgah kok. Angka kakak, angkara bisa pikir berikan. Angkara 12 country, angkuri nekah. Bani perang kini menggiring kah. Kamu sendiri kancang kah. Omni perewo, ang iman kore thui pano, ang dar esenen thui pano, ane apa santi mana ang kagau. Kami je, ang bujuk mano, dunia manusia semua payah. Apa sen action kaya matro sotum John, dunia dan manusia. Sen Cina nahar mengkai seno, Cina haste kata khai maranai, state hood khai maranai. Sen tiba tiba tengah selai, sen lama nawa tengah bengayu, lama hingga ada tengah, naik borok tak layu, anggere laju. Ani biswas tanggo, ani polje tanggo. Saudara saudara, oh anak pengen nero, anak naik nero, bisa sekali kesak nero, sidang nero, baru mahino, Ishwar baru no, hamarin naik, tebro tebro masuk naik. Andawan sama ni, ini ni kurang kan kagawang. Boleh bagai, angkini hapung bujuk maya. Angkini tinta batau, tinta batau ni, anggrek surat thamu, ang mai mau kaya. Sengkana ka, sini siklar, sini juan ro, balai ke tu kumangka. Lamuro kena kamalai ka, tu khabar naik tunggu. Mai kaham kama saya matu ya, serai ro tunggu, sini siklar tunggu. Bola belai bil man makan kau. Angkin nawa tunggu kor menteri ngai. Dia di rumah tunggu. Di mana pekhawo ani santi gerai. Kuai ni borok ani lekani borok. Ana bum kai sao khodi borok. Sal ani behala bar ni cintai masa kamangui thangga negisa naikura dikna sao. Borok para borok kabjak. Bon buhi besar kabjak tahu bok kabjak. Dia macam ni, asal jenis sibarok, buah kuar, buah kerak, hari bangdo hari bagai, sungguh pun untuk kumaya, kosong ya, kena pilih jauh. Bayu behno, दिल्ली वासियों, आप लोग मालूम है कि वो राज्य बॉर्डर में है, बांग्लादेश के बीच में है। हम लोग का इतिहास, हम लोग गोल्डन हिस्ट्री दूसरे से अलग है। हम लोग त्रिपुरावासी इंडिजिनस पीपल, हम लोग स्वाधीन राज्य है। Even during the British rule, British cannot occupy Tripura. All over the state, British में राज किया है, except Tripura. Tripura ब्रिटिश के अंदर में नहीं है, हम लोग स्वाधीन राज्य है, प्रिंस की स्टेट है। लेकिन दुर्भाग्य है हम लोग का, आफ्टर मर्जर विद इंडियन यूनियन 1949 हम लोग का भविष्य, हम लोग का फ्यूचर आस्ते आस्ते बिगड़ रहा है। हम लोग क्या दूर से एक मिस्टेक है, हम लोग इन्हीं का साथ मार्च किया है। आफ्टर मर्जर विद इंडियन यूनियन, our people, our nation, our Tripura nation, their future, their aspiration, slowly perishing. Therefore, before knowing Tripura, सबसे पहले भारतवासियों, मेरे प्यारे भाइयों बहनों, आप लोग इतिहास पढ़िए, you read the history of Tripura to know everything. Before knowing everything, first of all, आप लोग त्रिपुरा का इतिहास आप सब पढ़िए। If you don't know the history of Tripura, you will not know anything about our aspiration. Our history is a golden history. In whole of the world, when I have given a speech in Geneva, when I have given a speech in Germany, the same word I have uttered. Tripura is the longest kingdom in the world, second to Japan. 184 king, more than 5,000 years, is ruled by, occupied by indigenous people of Tripura. The second largest dynasty in the world. The second largest dynasty in the world. We have a living history at present with us. Our beloved Bhuvagra Maharaj is a living history. This history has to go on. As history says, history repeats itself. Now our history is repeating day by day. Our history is repeating. It is a fact, a truth, that our history, golden history, would repeat again. Bole bagai, we shall look together with strong mentality, with determination, with zeal, courageous. We should not ashamed, we should feel shy to announce, to pronounce our dignity, our kingdom, our dynasty. In all over the world, not only India, our history, our glorious history. But unfortunately, after independence, after merger with Indian Union, the Gulf of India and Gulf of Tripura did not recognize, did not give due importance to our history. This is very unfortunate. Our history is not given importance. Our kingdom is not given importance. Our contribution of the royal family is not given importance. This is the reason behind why we are not happy with the Indian government. We are not happy with the state government. Because our culture, our tradition, our language, our land is not given importance. And we are treated as a second-class citizen of India. There's the main reason behind why our people, our indigenous people of Tripura, are fighting for their survival. We have crisis of identity. We have crisis of our politics. We have crisis of our economy. We have crisis of our land. We have crisis of our culture. We have seen such a beautiful dance. Our tradition, our culture is so high, so rich. But we are not giving due importance. This is the main pain economy of people. The big question we ask, why our glorious culture, glorious history is not given importance by the government of India, by the government of Tripura. This is the main reason behind. From 2009, we are compelled to raise our voice, to raise our demand to create statehood, separate state within our state. We are very unfortunate people. In our own land, in our own kingdom, in our own dynasty, our own royal family, present living history, Maharaj Pradip Kishore is compelled to seek justice, to seek solution under the Constitution of India. We are not against Constitution of India. We are not against Indian government. We are not against Tripura government. Our demand, our voice is for our survival. Our demand is within the jurisdiction of Indian Constitution, Article 2 and 3. We are not terrorists. We are not communal. We love India. We want to live with India. But we want to live with identity. We want to live with status. We want to live with respect. The big question of our people. As a human being, as an Indian citizen, we want to live as Indian people, as a first-class citizen. We respect India. We respect Constitution of India. That is what our demand. Our demand is justified. Our demand is legal. Therefore, I appeal to the government of India. I appeal my humble submission to our Honorable Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah ji to understand our pain, to realize our history, to recognize our people, so that we can live peacefully, we can live with peace and tranquility with Indian people. Therefore, I appeal to the government of India to understand our feeling, to accept our demand, to listen our cry. Therefore, my request to the people of the country, my request that in Bengali people, the good leaders of our India people should realize, should understand what is the pain and agony of the indigenous people of Tripura. Bonibago tini, ang balay ka tongtok ka, sinakar sano tini, tini siklarok, tini burirok, Sini buah besar aku bukurok. Bagai kostum apa kah? Kalau saya mana coronavirus ni bagai, अनेक आइन कानून टंगो जाओ, अंत कमांग में फोन खाएगा, दिल ना ऑफिसर आई भी फोन खाएगा, दिलो कमांग में आइन कानून टंगो, तुम्हारे रेफरेंस टंगो, जो मोहताज भाई दी, जिसमें पुनो कोई खा, जिसमें पुनो बालन खाया, we're peace loving people, we're simple people, we're poor people, we come away from 5,000 away from Delhi. Boleh bagai, anggo baru sanai, jenggot tono, bakal baksa kelai gay, jeng sah baca, tako, kamjang lagi gay, buci lagi gay, jeng jeng dua ini kena mau tamu cini, karena tu jeng kaham ke kelai lagi, jeng tu pay malia kebang ma, lenggar baca mai masa ya semai mote, karena tu jeng borok kebang kelai gay. Kerana saya lain, okok saya nak hai nak jod kono no, ani pipe laya, ani hamzat ma, coba ya fari, ani kok orang pipe nai, tu hambai kelom mereka.